How you doing? It's Kevin at Grubbs Garage. This is my newest build here. This bike is now for sale on various sites. It's a 1982 Goldwing. It's a Gl1100. Real powerful, torquey, horizontally opposed 4-cylinder. And this is a complete restoration from the ground up. It's in just fantastic conditions. You can see there's not any part of this motorcycle that I didn't touch. I mean, right down to the springs are all painted. The fan down there, every aluminum piece has been polished. Let me fire it up here. This horizontally opposed engine and how to build it is extremely reliable. I'll tell you, it's one torquey bike. This bike originally had a lot of weight on it, and you know, when you bob them out and cut them down, all that weight goes away, but the power stays. So, like I said, you twist that throttle, it just goes.